Hey tech friends, welcome back into tutorial. In this we are going to learn how to enable dark mode on a LinkedIn. So in this I will guide one of the easiest and step-by-step process to enable dark mode on a LinkedIn, which is better for your eye. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your LinkedIn application on mobile device. After opening that LinkedIn application, now you can see your profile icon on the top on the left side. So you have to tap on this. Inside that, now we can see a setting option is there. Tap on settings. Inside setting, now we can see here one option as a account preferences. So tap on this. Inside that, here you can see here display. Inside display, you can see here dark mode option is there. Tap on this. Yeah, now you can see here still in light mode, and you can see here two other options are there. One is device setting and one is dark mode. So for making dark mode, you have to tap on second one option. So now you can see here it's in dark mode. So in this way you can enable the dark mode on a LinkedIn. So if you like the video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.